Is there life on Mars? For centuries, humans have gazed up at the red planet, wondering if we're alone in the universe. Well, scientists are getting closer to answering this age-old question. In 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars in a place called Jezero Crater. This area was chosen for its rich history. Billions of years ago, it was home to ancient lakes. Why are scientists so interested in lakes, you ask? Well, because water is key to life as we know it. On Earth, life thrives where there's water. And Mars, well, scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars was wet, warm, and might have supported life, maybe even microbial life. But what happened? Over time, Mars lost its atmosphere, turned cold and dry. Today, it's a frozen desert. But here's the thing, in 2020, Perseverance made a remarkable discovery. It found organic molecules on the Martian surface. These are the building blocks for life as we know it. Things like amino acids, they don't necessarily prove that life existed or currently exists on Mars, but they do raise some interesting questions. So, you might be thinking, if life did exist on Mars, shouldn't we have found it already? Well, not necessarily. You see, Mars is a harsh environment. Any signs of life would have to be incredibly well preserved. That's why scientists are like detectives carefully searching for clues. And here's another interesting fact. Mars is still an active target for space missions. In the coming years, NASA, ESA, and even private companies plan to launch missions to Mars. Some will search for signs of life, others will bring samples back to Earth for analysis. So, you might be wondering, with all this exploration, why haven't we found any aliens yet? Well, the truth is, we haven't ruled out the possibility. But let me ask you this. If you were an alien living on Mars, would you want us to find you? Some scientists believe that if intelligent life did exist on Mars, it would likely be very advanced. And if it's advanced, it might be able to detect us long before we detect it. So, in a way, the fact that we haven't found aliens yet doesn't necessarily mean that there isn't life on Mars. It could mean that we're just not looking in the right way. Or maybe, just maybe, life on Mars is hiding from us. So, is there life on Mars? We don't have the definitive answer yet. But every discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling this cosmic mystery. Who knows? Maybe one day Mars will reveal its secrets. Until then, the search continues. If you love space mysteries, subscribe for more videos. The universe is full of wonders, and we can't wait to explore them all with you. Stay curious.